Welcome, future Bulldogs. My name is Darren Rasmussen, and I am the proud principal here at Burke High School. High school selection is right around the corner, and I'm here to welcome you and share the exciting opportunities that Burke High School has to offer. 2020 created many challenges, and we are excited about the potential that 2021 has to offer each of us. High school is an exciting time to develop your strengths, find your passions, learn new perspectives, and make new friends. Here at Burke, our staff, students, and curricular offerings strive to support all of these areas. We are Burke Means Family. We work to meet the needs of individual students and put opportunities in place for each of us. We are proud of our academic traditions here. We offer the most advanced placement and dual enrollment opportunities in the state of Nebraska. Our academic decathlon teams historically are near the top performers in the state on a yearly basis. Our Air and Space Academy, business leadership, digital communications offerings are innovative and provide deeper learning experiences. One of the many strengths of Burke High School is our diverse student population. Learning, performing, interacting, and competing with students from various backgrounds is an added value to the high school experience. We embrace diversity and inclusion within our school community. Our fine and performing arts programs such as marching band, Synergy Show Choir, art, and drama are award-winning programs. We are super proud of our music and theater productions and performances. Since 1963, Burke High School has competed at the highest levels in extracurricular activities and athletics. A stroll through our trophy hall shows the numerous state championships earned and student athletes who have performed at the highest levels. We compete in the Metro Conference, which is the premier conference in the state of Nebraska. This is just a snapshot of the opportunities that we provide here at Burke High School. Check out our virtual open house on Tuesday, January 12th. You are going to look good in black and gold. Go Bulldogs!